Hi guys, welcome to this short but useful video. Sometimes I create my applications and run on the local host, and before actually deploying on the staging or the production, I want my application to be tested by my other team members or my clients. So how can I create and convert my local host into the public URL? Okay, so I'll be using this ngrok tool. It is an awesome tool and many big companies are using it for converting the local host into the public URL. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is we need to download and install in our system. You can go to the ngrok.com/download and you can download its version if you are using Mac, Windows, Linux, or you can also download the Docker image as well. So I'm using Mac, and this is the command that I'll be writing in my terminal, which I've already done. And you need to have the brew installed. It's actually the home brew. Make sure if you're using Mac, you need to have home brew installed in your system. Once that is installed, just go ahead and run this command in your terminal and it will be installed in your system. So if I go to my terminal, and I can write the ngrok hyphen hyphen version, and it's going to show me that ngrok is installed in my system after installing this command, right? And once it's installed, I need to create an app, and this is an app localhost colon 3000. It is a Next.js 13 app, and it's running on localhost 3000, and I cannot share this URL with anybody outside my network because it's the local host and they cannot see my application. So ngrok helps us create a public URL for that. So what are the different commands in order to create its public URL? So first of all, I'll be writing the ngrok http and then the port where I'm running it. So before this, there is one another command that we need to do. Even if we don't want to have its paid membership, even if we want to go with the free membership, still we need to sign up on their website. And once we will sign it up, this is where we will reach, and you will get this URL, connect it to your account. So you will get this auth token, and you need to run this command ngrok config add auth token, and this is the auth token that you need to write. So I've already done that, and it will be globally installed in your system. And after adding this configuration of auth token in your system, you need to run this command then ngrok http, and my app is running on port 3000, and this is the URL it has provided. So if I copy it, go ahead, and if I run it, and it should be running the same app. So I'll be click visit site, and this is the same app which is running over here. This is so awesome, and this is the URL that I can share with anybody outside my network, with the clients, with my team members working from other places, right? So as long as my local host is running, this URL will keep on running. If I close my app and restart my localhost server, then I will have to regenerate this URL by simply running the ngrok http and the port 3000 command, and this new URL should be shared with your clients or other team members, right? So there is one important thing that I would like to share. I was using another system and there got an error on Mac. We don't get an error if by opening up this public URL on the browser you get an error like the invalid host header, something like that. Okay, so to actually resolve that error, what you need to do is after this command you can write hyphen host header equals to, and then localhost colon 3000. Okay, if you add this flag after this command, then this error will be gone, but usually this error doesn't come. It came to me in one of my other systems. Okay, so guys, this is the tool that you need to go with, and I'm using currently the free version, and free version actually have some restricted bandwidth and usage, means that the public URL that I have generated is going to have some limit that how many times this URLs can be refreshed or triggered per hour or per day. I'm not sure because it's not mentioned over here. So mostly I create videos on web development, mainly the JavaScript technology. So if you want to learn that, go check out my channel. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.